Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Kia Sportage, Kia Sorento guys. If you have any of these two vehicles, and why we are covering that, because the same engines have been used in both of the vehicles guys. If you have engine light on and any of the following codes such as code P0443 P0444 or P0445, stay with us. We'll explain the top 3 things that you need to check guys that can affect it, and cause that code. You don't need to remove your engine to do that. Simply we have it out due to the fact that we'll be making hundreds of videos that can potentially save you thousands of dollars. And with the engine being out, we can clearly show you guys where everything is located and teach you how to fix your Kia. So let's explain what can cause these codes now. So as we said, that should work on most generation Kia Sportage, Kia Sorento guys. Before we start, let me tell you, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos guys. We take them completely apart and we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please guys subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now, if you guys need to buy any parts or tools for a really good price and quick shipping as well, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from. So with that being said, let's explain how we're going to do that now. Many of you guys have been asking us in the comment section below to share more information about the scanner that we use daily at the shop. You see it quite often. This is the one right here guys. It's not sponsored, it's purchased by us. I'll put the link in the description of the video below. It works on almost any car you can think of. Key is right here, but it's an all-system scanner that supports most of the vehicles on the market. So if you want to learn more about it, check out the link in the description of the video below. Now, we'll go ahead and remove the upper engine cover here. We'll just pull it up, straight up. And now if you look at the engine guys, usually on the side of the engine by the intake manifold close, you have that device that's known as a purge control valve guys. That valve, on older cars it didn't used to exist, but due to emissions and efficiency, now it's a very important part of the Evap system, which is the fuel evaporation system guys. And if you look at it guys, what it does, it has a hose that goes to the intake manifold and it has another hose that goes to a special device by the fuel tank that's known as a canister guys. Let me show you. It looks like this one. That catches the fuel vapors, and there is another valve, canister valve. So what it does, the fuel vapors back in the day used to be released in the atmosphere and you lose fuel, you pollute. So that valve guys, now the canister catches the fuel vapors. When it reaches certain pressure, the engine computer signals to the valve in the canister to open, send the fuel vapors this way, then this one will open and it will inject them in the intake manifold. So your car is efficient and not losing fuel. If that valve guys fails, or we have a vacuum leak going all the way to the back to the canister, to the vent valve, or right here you have a broken line, cracked line somewhere, that can easily trigger any of these codes guys. So you need to check vacuum lines, you need to test the solenoid, the valve, and we have the video how to test the canister valve and the purge control valve on the channel, so check it out. It will teach you how to do that. And you need to make sure that you test both of the valves, check the lines to make sure you're not leaking fuel. Another thing that can easily cause that guys, is your fuel tank cap guys, that cap. If you look at it, you have a seal right here that if it's cracked, that can easily cause guys leaks. Another thing, that cap actually has a valve, pressure valve. If your evap system is not working correctly to catch the fuel vapors and not putting them in the engine, you will start building pressure in the fuel tank. So that cap is designed when it reaches certain pressure to open, and the vapors will be released in the atmosphere for safety guys. Now, if that valve fails or the seal fails, you can easily trigger any of these codes as well. So those are the things that I'll check first guys if I had that problem. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.